Translating phrases for clinical trial labels is a challenging task. Each phrase passes through multiple touchpoints across countries, regulators, and reviewers. This can lead to delays, inconsistencies, and frustration. In addition, implementing the validated systems required for translation takes significant investment and specialized expertise. This adds considerable time and rework costs to an already complex process. For a typical mid-sized pharmaceutical company running a global clinical trial in 25 countries, label translation timelines can reach upwards of 160 days using traditional translation processes. This is because the complexity of label translation and regulatory approvals often leads to multiple rounds of review and reconciliation. Understanding these complexities, Thermo Fisher is proud to showcase ATLASSM, our alternative translation and label approval system, which addresses the full spectrum of label development, from text translation to label proof approval. ATLASSM provides a systematic, holistic approach built on a dedicated clinical phrase library, delivering efficiency and cost savings while directly addressing inconsistencies across countries, regulators, and approvers. Leveraging your client-specific phrase library enables you to streamline master text development for future projects. Using ATLASSM, that same mid-sized pharmaceutical company engaged in a 25-country clinical trial could reduce label timelines by up to 70%. That's a significant gain in speed and in confidence. ATLASSM addresses the full spectrum of label development, including text translation and approval, regulatory review, and accelerated label manufacturing. ATLASSM streamlines and organizes the entire clinical label project by coordinating routing and electronic approvals. This can reduce the text development process from months to days. Combined with our in-house label design and manufacturing capabilities, we can reduce cycle times across the entire label process, not just translation, from start to finish. Take advantage of your phrase library database to expedite your label projects and deliver your clinical trials faster.